Why not change everything that you've been doing and do something completely different? Hey girlie, my name is Wendy and I am a homeschooling stay-at-home mom of 4 little ones, and on this channel I talk about productivity tips, methods, and resources because peaceful presence can be found when you are a good steward of your time. Now, I've got a laundry system that I have done for years and it works beautifully. It works like a charm, and I'll link a video up above to discuss that goes over that laundry system. But I'm changing things up, like everything. Now why? So we are moving. If you follow me over at Life of Plan Prep Pray, which is my vlogging channel, I'll link that in the description. You know we're moving. So we're in the process of listing and selling our home, and because of that, we're packing up our home so that when we do sell it, it's easy for us to just pick up and move. We don't have that much stuff. Plus, when you're listing your home and putting your home for show, like one of the big thing that they tell you is to declutter so that the people that are coming in can see themselves in the home. All that to say, we're packing up a lot of our clothing. My children have 3 weeks worth of clothing already, and we need to go down to about a week and a half, 10 days worth of clothing. And so because of that, we are not producing as much clothes on a daily basis. And so washing laundry on a daily basis is not the wisest thing for us because it would be honestly just a waste of water and time and energy. So we're changing things up. And we're doing the dreaded once a day laundry day. Dun, 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 dun. Nope. We're doing the dreaded once a week laundry day. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. First things first, we are going to be sorting as we go. So I'm getting this laundry basket, which I'll link a picture of, or I will already have it and I'll put a B-roll of it. But we are getting this laundry basket where we can sort as we go. And so we're not waiting till laundry day to sort all of the clothes. Number 2, I am starting the day with the first load. So I am starting the first load as soon as I get up in the morning and setting a timer. Setting a timer is the key to laundry day, okay? So we're gonna be setting a timer for the washer as soon as the washer ends so that we can switch it right away. Say it with me, people, right away. Not waiting till the mildew done set in and it's staying, no. Right away, as soon as the timer goes off, maybe a minute before, we will be right there just waiting for that zzz so that we can switch it over to the dryer. So for the second and third load of the day, we are going to be washing all the sheets on the bed. So I get up early before the kids, so that's why I'm gonna be starting the first load. The following load will be all of the kids' sheets because our little ones nap. So that's the goal. That's like with the motivation. We gotta get the sheets back on the bed before nap time. So, and we only have 1 set of sheets because everything else is already packed up. So, so stripping the beds, washing the sheets will be loads 2 and 3 because I have my sheets as well and they can't all fit at the same time. So now, along with laundry day, we want to manage the things that we are using that wash our clothes. AKA, we want to wipe down the washer and wipe down the dryer, and to use this as an opportunity to maintain those things that honestly, when you're doing it on a daily basis, they don't get the TLC that they truly need, you know? So just making sure we get in there and clean out the filter for the dryer and getting underneath and releasing that little gasket thingy and letting the water come out. Some maintenance work on the washer. And just really getting in there and cleaning it out, getting the gunk and showing the washer and dryer some love will also be priority and done on laundry day. Now, the other thing we will be doing is I'm enlisting the help of my children. I'm not doing laundry day by myself. So they will be doing a lot of the transitioning the clothes from the washer to the dryer, taking the clothes out of the dryer, bringing them inside to be sorted. And so working as a team, we should be able to accomplish it a lot better. So that is another thing that we're going to be focusing on. Now, my oldest daughter is going to be working with my youngest daughter to kind of train and transition clothes from the washer into the dryer. The baby's really good at that. So just transitioning from the washer into the dryer. So this is also another opportunity for buddies to work together and to practice working as a team and loving on one another and training and things like that. So that's another thing that we'll be doing during laundry day. Now, we organize our clothes in bins. So all of the bins, instead of being in the cubbies, instead of being in the cubbies, they'll be out. So you can see where everything goes. And so Sean and I, which is my oldest and me, are going to be taking turns sorting the clothes in the bins. And it's easier. So it's not like we're calling people to go put their clothes in their bins like we usually do on a daily basis. Now we're gonna be the ones that are just putting them in the bins. So he does a basket, I do a basket. He does a basket, I do a basket. So we're tag teaming it. Now, how are we making it easier? We're making it easier, number one, by being grateful, okay? We are grateful. We are taking on the attitude of gratefulness. Our laundry day is gonna be prepared. Laundry day is gonna be prayed over. Laundry day is going to be a great day. I do not hate laundry, I love laundry, all right? Because I am thankful and grateful to have clothes to put on my back, to have clothes to put on my children's back, to have a washer to be able to wash and dry the clothes, for me not to be doing it by hand, for me to be able to provide for my family in that way, in the sense that I'm able to wash clothes for them. So our attitude is going to be an attitude of gratefulness, an attitude of thankfulness. That's foundational, that's laid down. We ain't got nothing to complain about. We are blessed, okay? Now, some additional things that we're doing to make it easier, I'm creating posters. Now, these posters are gonna be going in the laundry room so that the kids can see them. So they know the steps, but just in case you forgot, Mommy done wrote it on the poster, so you don't have to ask me all the questions. Just go look at the poster. Go look at the poster. So I'm creating posters that really guides them through every single step. Now, the most funnest part of laundry day is that we get a reward, okay? Now, if we finish all the laundry in the house by 4 o'clock, we get a reward, okay? 4 o'clock is when Daddy comes home, and I would just love to just not have to do the laundry when he gets home and just be able to spend some time together. And so our reward is every laundry day, we're gonna have like an ice cream party at the house, because nobody got like money to be going to the frozen yogurt shop every week. Ain't got money for that. But we're gonna have our own little ice cream party with we're gonna be making sundaes, and we're going to be putting different toppings, and I'm gonna get like a scoop, like it's gonna be a thing, okay? So that is going to be our reward for finishing laundry. That is gonna be the extra little motivation for all of our hard work, is that if we finish by 4, we get an ice cream party. Now, I know my kids, okay? And I know how much they love ice cream. They're gonna be, Mommy, you heard the timer? Because I heard the timer. No, baby, I didn't hear anything. So just keeping it fun, keeping it light, keeping it enjoyable for everyone involved. We are completely changing our laundry system. Now, along with changing up our laundry system, we are also changing up our cleaning system as well. Now, I've got a video coming out later this month talking about how we are changing up our laundry system. So definitely make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video. And until next time, bye.